Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to delete your Disney Plus account forever and permanently. So let's get started. So as you can see, we're here on Help Center of Disney Plus. Now I just want you to keep in mind that deleting your Disney Plus account deletes your email address, first and last name, and profile and attributes. It also makes all other Disney Plus account information anonymous, so it's no longer associated with your email address, and it also unsubscribes you from all marketing emails from Disney Plus. So make sure to know this before deleting your account. Now, how can you delete an account? You make sure to log in into your Disney Plus account through your computer or mobile browser. I would recommend you to do this through your computer. Select your profile, go to account, and then under settings, you can select delete account. Now, if you're invoiced directly by Disney Plus and the delete account option is unavailable, that means you still have an active subscription, so you have to cancel your subscription. And then you can come back to this step, right? So if you're invoiced through a third party, this step will be available, but you may still be invoiced for your active subscription. So make sure, again, to have canceled your subscriptions to that third party, right? Now 6 is enter your email address. You click continue, you enter your password and select login. Then you review the details of deleting your Disney Plus account and you select continue. Then you check your inbox for an email from Disney Plus containing that 6-digit code, and then you enter that code to verify and then select continue and select delete. It's that simple. It's again very simple, and yeah, all you have to do is just go under settings, delete account, and then you just follow the steps to delete your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you want more videos like this, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more. We're posting 5 different videos a day, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.